Hi, today in front of me Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the settings application and tap to network and internet, click to Wi-Fi switcher. And after that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select the network and enter the password to connect. Here you'll see the show password checkbox. Just to show password, you could click on this checkbox, then just tap to connect. Wait a second, and now we could see that we just successfully connected to the network. So also we got one more way how we could do that. Just you should open the control panel and find the Wi-Fi icon. Click on the icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way. And to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and then just by the same way use the switcher to activate Wi-Fi, to turn it off, to select the network and enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.